Welcome to Instagram. In this video, we are discussing coefficient of variation. Before starting this, I want to share something. We provide all type of notes of any subject of any course. If you are looking for any type of help related to your course, so you can contact us. In this video, we are discussing coefficient of variation. Coefficient of variation, you can see the formula first. Coefficient of variation is sigma upon x bar equal into 100. It is actually a measure of the variability. And if we comparing the two data series, suppose that we have a two data series, one data series and the second data series, and if it has a smaller coefficient of variation, so it means that it will be more consistent. It will be more consistent. One should be careful in making interpretation with CV. For example, the series, we have a series here 10 10 10 has where SD is 0 and CV is also 0, because standard deviation is 0, so our CV will be coefficient of variation will be also 0. The series 50 50 50 also and 0, so CV is also 0, but the second series has higher mean. So in this case we have a CV is equal to 0, but in this case, we have a higher mean, so we shall regard the second series as more consistent than the first. So in that case, we have to consider it as a more higher mean as a consistent estimator. So this is the consistent series because it has a more mean. So in this case, in this example, again we have a suppose batsman A has main 50 with the standard deviation 10. So in this video we have a in this example we have a 50 mean and the standard deviation 10, and the batsman B has mean 30 and the standard deviation 3. What do you infer about their performance? So after finding the CV, we got zero point 0.1 and this is the zero point 0.2. So it is, so in this one, which one is more consistent? So A is more consistent because of the lower CV. Yes, sorry. So in this one, which one has a this means an A is better run maker, however B has lower CV than A and is consequently more consistent. Because of the higher mean B than B, this means A is better run maker. So in this example, we have found sigma upon x into 100 and sigma upon x 100. Sigma is we have a for A, this is for A batsman, this is for B batsman. Sigma is standard deviation is 10 upon 50 into 100. Similarly, in this one we have a standard deviation 3 and 30. So now we have a coefficient of variation which is 20, and in this case we have a coefficient of variation which is 10. So in this case we have a coefficient of variation which is lower of B batsman. So but because of the higher mean, our answer will be A.